Here we go.
Bubbles!
Wow.
Oh, I think your name is on each one.
Oh, it's coming apart.
There,
That one says Abby.
Here, open this
Abby, you have the right one.
Open yours, open
Cool.
yours.
What's that? You got a little puppy
Yeah,
too.
but they're not the same. How about we share it? Each. I will.
Don't they look like Hannah and Miss Bell?
Do they look like Hannah and Miss Bell?
Look, look. She wants to pop the bubbles.
Yeah.
We have more bubbles. Is this mine?
Hi. Meow. Meow. What do we got here?
What's that?
We don't know. Mine is tight.
Ooh, cool. For what?
Is this mine?
What's tights for?
Ballet.
Yeah.
Wait, is that mine?
Oh, look here. You see it.
I thought that was mine.
Liz got it.
What
What is it?
Shoes.
No, what is it?
No, it's Retro.
Oh, look at that one.
Is mine the same? No.
No, they're different.
Ooh.
Oh, that's awesome.
We could share, Lily.
Girls,
Mine
that is
goes
so
in
cool.
here. Mine goes in.
Hey, hey.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Aunt Sherry.
Thank you, Aunt Sherry.
Mommy.
Yay.